I had someone request how to get the snap rings in and out very easily. Here's two different styles. I'll give you some helpful tips on how to easily install these and remove them. This turbo is the GT3071R. Here's our little snap ring in this area. Here's the tool that I prefer to use. This is a set of 90 degree needle nose pliers. I think we picked these up at Tractor Supply. This style, I use these kind for a long time. Here's another set. These are just your basic needle nose pliers from Walmart. I think they're $2.90 or around there. I just take the ends and I grind them down so they fit easier inside the holes, inside the ring. And if they ever start to give you trouble where it's slipping off, the way to do that is just surface the top of them with the grinding stone, and that will put a burr on the end of them. It'll make it so the snap ring doesn't come off as easy. So I'll show you how quickly I can get this one out. If we want to put it back in, I think the key here is to hold tension onto the pliers so that the ring can't escape. So if I'm holding the pair of pliers up close to the bearing housing, then the ring doesn't have any area to escape. That's in. Now let's take it out. Here's an HX40 that we're going to install a snap ring on. This one, we bend these pieces back because often they may be slanted this way where the pliers can come off. So I take a torch and heat this up and then bend these pegs in that direction so the pliers can't come off as easy. It also has two holes for snap ring pliers, but my snap ring pliers are not big enough to reach these holes. The easiest way is to lay it down and get you a good pair of pliers like this, or channel locks. You just need to find or adjust to find where you can compress it as much as you need to. So I've got this one at the top here and this one about midway on the pliers. Once it's in there, you need to take the pliers and compress the snap ring all the way back. And then once you're ready to remove it, if it's giving you a hard time with being stuck in the groove, sometimes when the turbo is older, it'll have some rust from this clip or some corrosion from the compressor housing. You can take a screwdriver or a punch and a hammer and you just tap the ring and it usually frees it up. It may not actually show you that it moved, but it usually frees it up to where the next time that you grab it, it will come out, or it will start to come out of the groove. It's that easy. You just need the correct tools.